Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2025 Suzuki X-90. The 2025 Suzuki X-90 is rumored to make an exciting return, blending retro charm with modern technology. Originally known for its quirky two-door coupe SUV design, the new X-90 is expected to embrace a sleeker, more contemporary look while staying true to its unique and adventurous spirit. Performance and powertrain, fun and efficient driving. The 2025 X-90 is likely to feature a compact yet powerful engine lineup, delivering a perfect mix of performance and fuel efficiency. Engine options: 1.4L booster jet turbocharged engine, producing around 140 horsepower, offering a fun and responsive drive. Heavy checkmark hybrid powertrain option, providing better fuel efficiency for eco-conscious drivers. Transmission and drivetrain: 6-speed manual and automatic transmission, catering to different driving preferences. All-wheel drive, AWD, with Suzuki's all-grip system, enhancing traction and off-road capability. Exterior design, retro meets modern. The new X-90 will likely keep its distinctive coupe SUV silhouette, but with modern styling enhancements for a bolder, sportier look. Exterior features: LED headlights and taillights for a sleek, futuristic appearance. Refined front grille, incorporating modern Suzuki design cues. Sporty alloy wheels and rugged cladding, enhancing its urban and off-road appeal. Targa-Style Roof option, paying tribute to the original X-90's removable roof panels. Interior and technology: compact, comfortable, and smart. Despite its small size, the 2025 Suzuki X-90 is expected to offer a high-tech, driver-focused cabin with advanced features for comfort and convenience. Interior features: 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Digital instrument cluster, providing customizable driving information. Sporty bucket seats, optional leather upholstery, offering enhanced comfort and support. Automatic climate control and premium sound system for an elevated driving experience. Advanced safety and driver assistance. Suzuki is likely to equip the 2025 X-90 with modern safety technologies, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Expected safety features: adaptive cruise control, automatically adjusting speed for highway driving. Lane departure warning, alerting drivers when drifting out of their lane. Automatic emergency braking, AEB, helping prevent collisions. Blind spot monitoring, detecting vehicles in hard-to-see areas. 360-degree camera system, assisting with tight parking spaces and maneuvering. Driving experience: nimble and adventure-ready. Suzuki may position the new X-90 as a fun and versatile compact SUV, ideal for both city driving and light off-road adventures. With nimble handling, high ground clearance, and lightweight construction, the X-90 is expected to offer a thrilling and capable ride. Expected release date and pricing: the 2025 Suzuki X-90 is anticipated to debut in late 2025, with an estimated starting price ranging between $22,000 and $28,000, depending on trim levels and available options. Final thoughts: a unique SUV with a retro twist. With its compact yet capable design, modern technology, and retro-inspired styling, the 2025 Suzuki X-90 could be a refreshing addition to the compact SUV market. Whether you're looking for a stylish urban commuter or a small SUV with off-road potential, the X-90 aims to offer the perfect blend of fun, efficiency, and adventure. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.